Today I'm going to show you how to cast on. So today I will be using a pair of circular needles. Don't be intimidated by this. You use this to make certain types of projects, but I'm knitting flat on them, so just ignore the fact that they're circular. So you're going to start out with your yarn. I'm using a very fine yarn. Don't be intimidated by that either. So first you're going to want to make a slip knot. So take your yarn, wrap it around your finger, make an X, pull this part, and hook this middle loop with your thumb, and then just let it slide as it turns into your slip knot. So I'm going to tighten it because I'm using very fine needles. So you take your slip knot, make sure that the yarn forms an X, and slip it on. Now you're going to take these two pieces of yarn. Now separate it, pull it apart like this, like you're opening curtains. Now take your needle and do that. Hook this loop by your thumb. Do this till it makes a star. Hook this loop. And you take this and, like I said earlier, hook it on, and then hook this piece of yarn, and then pull, and there you have your first stitch. So, casting on is basically repeating that process until you have the desired number of stitches. A helpful way to remember, this is what my aunt taught me, is open the curtains, make the mouse's head, get one ear, make a star, and pull. So I hope this helps, and happy knitting!
Hello, if you had difficulty with this technique, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to come and help you. I am on Pinterest as PositronDK. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment with questions and what you'd like to see me do. This is the first of a series of videos on the basics of knitting. Let me know which techniques are most helpful to you to learn. Thank you. Goodbye.